नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome everyone sitting with us all over the world in hundreds of centers and Adinams, temples, ashrams, having Nayana Diksha for this special webinar from choices to freedom. Listen, thinking within the box is bondage. Thinking outside the box is choices. Breaking the box is creativity. Box is a hoax, is freedom. Understand? The geometry of freedom, the geometry of choices and geometry of freedom. Listen. Thinking within the box is bondage. Thinking outside the box, choices. Breaking the box is creativity. Box is the hoax, is freedom. The physicality, geometry of freedom is this. Then, psychology of freedom. Listen. Opinions are the foundation of choices. Reality, truth is the foundation of freedom. Understand? If you are highly opinionated, having opinion about everything, thinking that having opinion about everything will help you in your future strategy and success, makes you move in the direction of choices. Understand? If your psychology is functioning with the belief, if I have opinions about everything, I will be successful in planning my strategies about future. I'll be successful in making my decisions about my life. I'll be successful in getting what I want. If this is what is your fundamental belief about life, understand, you will be a person choosing, and naturally you will believe choices is the best way of existing. Understand? Fundamentally, the wrong belief human mind starts building is opinions are going to be making your life smart and smooth and sharp. No. No. Truth is going to make your life smart, smooth and beautiful. Not opinions. Understand? Not opinions, but reality, truth. Whether education or all the after education, the continuous education activity, if it is all about collecting opinions, I tell you, you create more and more ignorant people. That is why nowadays for the right ear separate doctor, left ear separate doctor. Because you believe it is opinions. The amount of opinions you collected and ability to choose because of your opinions is knowledge. No. Opinions and ability to choose because of your opinions can never be knowledge in any field. Because reality goes on changing. Reality goes on changing. Understand? Ability to flow with the reality and having basic technical understanding is knowledge. Ability to flow with the reality and basic technical understanding is knowledge. This concept of collecting opinions and opinionated choosing life restrains your very existence. Understand? Opinionated choices restrains your existence. It's too funny how this idea of choices is marketed as freedom. In US, supposed to be the most open, free country, whether it's in the field of information. There are only 4 things in the whole universe: information, goods, organizing, law and order, and people who don't get involved in any of these 3 but just consumer, that's all. Brahmana, Vaishya, Kshatriya, Shudra, over. The country which is supposed to be having all the greatest freedom in all the 4 fields. It'll be funny if you understand the depth, whether it is 500 channels or 200 channels or 300 channels. Finally, only 2-3 families own the whole thing. Choices is a delusion sold to you as freedom. Drill, you will understand. Almost all the major media companies, if you just trace them back, it just boils down to 2-3 tables. They all meet every day in dinner. in one table. Listen. The concept of choices being sold as freedom is the greatest bondage happened to humanity. Keeping somebody in a prison and educating him, saying, wow, you are such a free being, you can sit, lie down, stand, breathe, you can even walk fast and jog. Come on, you are free, celebrate your freedom. Understand? The whole universe, these are the four. Remember, I'll repeat. Information. I can roughly classify education, mainstream media, social media, all information. All these put together. Second, goods. From toilet paper to flight or whatever, goods. Third, organizing, law and order, the structure. Army, all put together. Fourth, people who don't get involved in any of these three, just a consumer who consumes. In every level, the information guy tries to create fake concept of freedom to you just by providing choices. Understand? The best way, most cunning way not to follow any rule is just follow the letter and drop the spirit. That's the most cunning way of not to follow any rule but never get caught. Providing choices and making you believe it is the freedom is the most cunning way of following the letter and not the spirit. Understand? If you accept the enemy's fundamental logic, you have accepted his fundamental logic, his home as the battleground. Whether you win or lose, you lose. Even if you win, he has inserted his logic into you. You can never supersede in his logic in your way. Understand? Thousands of people will start now this manifesting powers after me. Many will try to fake, but nobody can supersede. Whether you fake or make, you cannot supersede what I have done, because the moment you decide to do this, you are on my logic. The moment you start following my logic, you can never supersede, because I am the founder. See, any software, the man who writes, only he knows the code. You can't get into that software and fight and win him. Anywhere, the moment you accept enemy's logic and start fighting based on his logic, you lost it. Understand? Your whole game of freedom is, even the foundation is your enemy's logic. Just yesterday I was telling, eating with integrity to your body is freedom. Ability to eat with integrity with your body is freedom. At this scale, if you search for food all over America, I tell you, it's the most poor country. You don't have food. Multiple choices to eat what you want is not freedom. Ability to eat with integrity to yourself. I tell you, the moment you start believing animals do have pain like you, stop eating animals. As long as you have not started cognizing animals do have pain like you, even if you eat, it may not affect you psychologically. Of course, physiologically you will be affected, that is different, but psychologically it may not affect you. But the moment you started cognizing they do have pain like us, if you eat, it is going to affect you psychologically also. So eating integrated to you is freedom. Not the multiple choices forced in front of you. Understand? The choices are forced in front of you and your brain is triggered immorally to choose between the choices. Understand? Why should a beautiful model stand next to a car and promote the car? Is she going to come along with the car? No, if that is the case, many may not buy car, that is different. Wrongly triggering you and making you choose by tricking you. Same way, presenting the food in multicolors, in three-dimensional hoardings, is wrongly triggering you and your brain to choose eating even when you don't need food for your stomach. One, the quantity which you don't need, and quality which you don't really need. But you are tricked to eat that, and you are made to believe all these choices are freedom. No. How cunningly you are tricked, and end of the day, nobody is responsible for this whole tricking. That's the most tricky thing in this whole thing. You can't pinpoint somebody, hey, he tricked me. No. Nobody is responsible. Hey, I am doing my business. Presenting a food in multi-color way, multi-story burger, and 3D way, projecting is my business. You should know about this unholy nexus of food and drug and legal drug industry. You should also need to be informed. You need to be informed. You should also know many of these unholy nexus between the physicians and pharmaceutical companies, between the food industry and pharmaceutical industries, between the legal drugs and illegal drugs. If it is legal drugs, you are called company. If it is illegal drugs, you are called mafia. Understand choices in goods, choices in thought currents, knowledge, choices in organizing structures, capitalism, communism, Marxism, whatever isms. Socialism, MNC religions, where certain concepts are cooked in one place and franchised and sold. Sometimes bread and butter, sometimes sword. Whether choices in the concepts, information, or the products, goods, or the organizing structures, socialism, communism, capitalism, all these isms, the organizing structures, countries, constitution, democracy, republic, whatever. I was trying to understand very deeply what is this democracy and what is this republic and all this. What's the difference? What's the subtle difference? Understand. End of the day, I understood one truth. It is all multiple words to give you the idea you are free. Neither communism, nor capitalism, or socialism, or democracy, or republic, or all these so-called choices, everything. Understand when I say everything. This autocratic structure, benign autocratic structure. I don't know what is that benign or autocratic. And anyhow, these are the multiple words, multiple choices. Understand? Choices based on opinions is only ignorance putting you in delusion. Please listen. Please listen. If you know the secret of the field of information, it is just all these choices are just putting a consumer in delusion and knowing the secret and you establishing yourself in truth, not on opinions and choices, but on truth and freedom, you become Brahmana. Same way goods. Knowing that producing and sharing these choices of goods is putting consumer in delusion. and establishing your life not on opinions and choices but on truth and freedom of you. I am telling you, many of the restaurant owners don't eat in their restaurants. Many of the food company owners do not eat what they produce. They do not consume what they produce. Do you know the funny thing? Many countries which exports fertilizers, chemical fertilizers to India, do not import any product grown through that fertilizer from this country back. You need to know this. They export chemical fertilizers, and when they import the agricultural products from here, they have a clear classification on these fertilizers. If you grow any agricultural products, we will not buy it. It cannot be exported back to my country. Knowing the secret of these products, if you know the secret, this concept of choices in the products is delusion. Opinion-based choices is putting consumer in delusion. And you saving your life based on truth and freedom, you become Vaishya. You are liberated from the delusion you have created. Next, all these organizing structures, communism, socialism, Jingism, Bongism, Angism, Ingism, there are any number of isms. I tell you, in this information, there are choices, how the informations are cooked and fed. The information which agitates you and excites you, moves you, which does not necessarily need to be grounded. Sharing that kind of information and creating agitation is called media. Informations which is little grounded, which can stand your chewing logic. Listen, chewing logic means if you revisit, you are revisiting. Revisiting, reviewing, scrutiny can be withstood by this information. That is called education. Little more grounded facts leading to conclusions which are truths, cognition of which leads to reality. Understand? Facts leads to truth, and truth leads to reality. That is called research. In all these fields, if you are out of opinion-based choices and move reality-based freedom, you are Brahmana. In all these products, if you stop moving opinion-based choices and start living reality-based freedom, you are a Vaishya, successful Vaishya. All these organizing structures, law and order, constitutions. If you know the concept of choices is opinion-based delusion and start living reality-based the truth, you become real Kshatriya. Invincible, can never be conquered. Brahmana, all-knower, because he knows the very source of delusion. Kshatriya, invincible, cannot be conquered because he knows the choices of structures and constitutions. Vaishya has everything, does not need anything more because he knows the choices. Opinion-based choices are the delusion he generated, and he has what is reality-based freedom. He is a complete Vaishya, means who has everything. Understand? A complete Brahmana is free from the choices of knowledge. A complete Vaishya is free from the choices of products. A complete Kshatriya is free from the choices of theologies and constitutions. Man who is not free and caught in these choices is Shudra, who is a consumer. Poor, innocent consumer does not understand the truth. Choices are created delusion. Understand? In any field you want to become a leader, understand in that field what are the opinions based choices and reality-based freedom. In any field, use this as a scale. You will be master of that field. You will become master of that field. You want to be a politician? Understand the choices of political structures is just lie, pure lie and delusion. Choices of political structures offered in the name of freedom is the worst lie. If you understand this and liberate your concept, your cognition, your being from all the political systems, make yourself free and establish yourself reality-based freedom, then you are the greatest political leader. No system can touch you. In every field, opinion-based choices makes you Shudra, consumer. Reality-based freedom makes you leader, powerful, successful, Ishvara. Understand? Opinion-based choices is the Maya matrix. If you know how that matrix is knit and how that matrix is functioning, and start getting grounded in reality, truth, you will taste freedom. Whether in the field of religion, in the field of spirituality, in the field of politics, in the field of economy, in the field of goods, in the field of knowledge, in the field of information, the field of science, the field of physics, the field of chemistry, in anything. When you understand number is a hoax, you are the greatest mathematician. When you understand matter is a hoax, you are the greatest physicist. When you understand the whole chemical permutation, combinations of the chemistry is a hoax, you are the greatest chemistry scientist. When you understand the whole disease and the cure in the body is a hoax, you are the greatest physician. In every field, this is the fundamental law of life. Thinking inside the box introduced to you is bondage. Thinking outside the box introduced to you is choices. Breaking the box is creativity. Box is the hoax, is freedom. More and more getting grounded in reality. This happens by completion. More you are complete, more grounded. Whether you are a lawyer, doctor, engineer, whoever you may be, when you are getting grounded, when opinion-based choices are no more your lifestyle, when reality-based freedom is the way you function, reality-based freedom is the way you function, you become leader. Understand, as long as you understand this whole net of choices or delusory freedom sold to you, you will continue to remain as a consumer. All consumers are cheated. Understand? It's a law of life. All consumers are cheated. Customer means custom only. In reality, consumer is consumed. Understand? You are not a consumer. You are actually consumed. If you are not out of the matrix, you are a Shudra, consumer. Whether in the field of goods or knowledge or political system, as long as you believe opinionated choices, as a lifestyle, you are just Shudra. You are just Shudra, consumer. Understand? when you realized the reality-based freedom. The reality-based freedom as lifestyle, you became a leader. Only then you are out of this Maya matrix. You are out of this delusion. Completion awakens this kind of a freedom in you, strength in you. Whether you want to master a religious ideology or a spiritual ideology or the concept of cosmology or concept of mathematics, concept of physics, economy, I tell you, I am giving you the unit of freedom. Tattva, Swatantra Tattva. What is the fundamental unit of freedom I am giving you? The fundamental unit of freedom, opinion-based choices are only bondage. Reality-based freedom only is liberation. Reality is always freedom. Whether what you are supposed to eat, what you are supposed to wear, how you are supposed to live, when are you supposed to wake up, when are you supposed to go back to bed, how should be your entertainment, how should be your joys, how should be your sexual life, how should be your economical understanding of reality, how should be your old age. In every level, use this scale. Choices are opinion-based delusion. Leads, when they are not fulfilled, to frustration. When they are fulfilled, to boredom. Both are again opinion-based choice. Understand? The opinion-based choice. First opinion, then choices. When you take the route of choices, then one road opens, fulfilled, leads to boredom. Another road, unfulfilled, leads to frustration. Finally, both meet in the same point. It is like a guy went to madhouse. He saw in first cell, one fellow has written Divya, 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 Divya on the whole wall with his blood. The visitor asked the doctor, what happened to him? Oh, he fell in love with Divya and could not get married. So he has become mad. Every day with his blood he will write Divya, Divya, Divya on this wall. What to do? He moved to the next cell. There he saw one guy who became mad because of money. And he is sitting and counting all the newspapers. Newspapers he has cut in the shape of currency and sitting and counting. The best use of newspapers is as toilet paper. Because already they are shitted by the content. They can be. And you will not get karma of dirtying something. See, if you use the toilet paper, you may get the karma of dirtying a white paper. With the newspaper, you will not get the karma of dirtying once more, because already it is dirty. Only thing you should take care that you don't become dirty. Anyhow, so he went to next cell. He saw one guy became mad because of his political power hunger, sitting and giving a big political speech, very eloquent. Unfortunately, neither he can understand nor others can understand. Whatever you achieved, if you share it with the world, you are a Brahmana. Whatever you want to achieve, your hopes, if you share it with the world, you are a Vaishya. Whatever no one can achieve, if you share it with the world, you are a politician, Kshatriya. He is giving eloquent discourse. Whatever, I will repeat. Whatever you achieved, if you share it, you are a Brahmana. Whatever you hope to achieve, if you share it, you are a Vaishya. Whatever no one can achieve, if you share it and make people believe, you are a successful politician. And if you are not able to make people believe, if the people have discovered the fear in your eyes, then you are a failure politician, that's all. Otherwise, it's all one and the same. You should just, the amount of courage you put up in your eyes. So this guy walks up to the last cell. Again he sees one more guy. On his cell wall, everywhere, Divya, 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 Divya. The visitor asked the doctor, what? Who is that Divya? So many people are in love with him, with her, and become mad. The doctor said, no, the first guy was in love and could not marry. This guy married. Understand, unfulfilled frustration, unfulfilled boredom meets in the same point. Unfulfilled frustration, the boredom which comes due to fulfillment, both make you realize opinionated choices are not the successful lifestyle. Reality-based freedom only is successful style of life. Understand? I am not using the word lifestyle. I am using the word style of living, style of life. Lifestyle is, if you show the choices you have to people, it's called lifestyle. If you show the freedom you have, that is style of life. If you boast about choices you have, it is lifestyle. If you are proud about the freedom you have, it is style of life. Understand? There is a beautiful story. A great Paramahamsa sitting on the banks of Ganga, playing with a small turtle. The king, emperor ordered that Paramahamsa to be brought to the court to be the minister, prime minister of the court. The soldiers walk up to the Paramahamsa and ask him, request him. King has ordered. You are honored to be the prime minister in the court, king's court. Paramahamsa looked up and said, no, I have not asked for it. The soldiers were trying to tell him, you are honored. Paramahamsa asked, the crown of the kings always will have the shell of the turtle as a base. The tortoise shell will be the base of the crown, which sits on the head of the king. So the Paramahamsa asked the soldiers, will this tortoise be happy here moving around, or sit on your king's head as a crown? Naturally here, because there he has to be dead. Only if he is dead, his shell can become a crown. Naturally he will be happy here. Then why not me? Am I not even that intelligent? Understand, many times choices come and unfortunately as the replacement for freedom. As the replacement for freedom. Fools are those who choose choices. Blessed are those who live freedom. So the essence of this webinar, thinking inside the box you are introduced is bondage. Thinking outside the box is choices. Breaking the box is creativity. Box is the hoax, is freedom. Completion grounds you to be free. And the whole work I am doing is all about freeing you really free. Understand? Freeing you really free. Whether I invite you for Inner Awakening program, or Nityananda Yogam, or Nityanandam for New Gen, or to be Adinavasi here. My fundamental work is making you understand and live freedom. Understand? Choices. Opinions leads to choices. Choices brings powerlessness. Reality leads to freedom. Freedom brings powers. Freedom makes you manifest powers. Freedom makes you manifest powers and powerful cognitions. The next workshop, Paradox of Freedom, I'll be initiating you into blindfold reading. I am attempting, please understand, I know taking a big jump. Still now, all the jumps I have taken, Sadashiva has made it successful. So with that strength, I am taking this next big jump, and it will be successful. The whole software is ready. Whole software for initiation is ready. And this is going to be revolutionary. Third eye initiation without moving out of your couch. Third eye initiation for couch potatoes. And I welcome, invite, encourage every one of you to come and taste inner awakening, the real completion and getting grounded and realizing freedom. Not opinionated choices, but reality-based freedom in every sphere of your life. If you eat what for you need to eat, that is called freedom. If you eat just because it is promoted, your eyes are enjoying it. Understand, things which looks good for your eyes may not be good for your stomach. Your eyes are not going to digest, your stomach is going to digest. So, essence of today's satsang. Thinking inside the box is bondage. Thinking outside the box is choices. Breaking the box is creativity. Box is the hoax, is freedom. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhadvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.